Hey guys, it is Parker Cuban here today, and I have a tutorial for the Landland 3x3x2 cube, or not just the Landland one, but any 3x3x2. So it's a cuboid. It's a very simple cuboid, and I thought maybe I'd make a tutorial about it. So basically, the notation of this puzzle is up, up prime, right. It's a 180-degree move right, so a full move right, and then that's like one arm move, and left. We don't even use left at all, so don't need to worry about that. It's all up and right moves. Okay, so first let me just scramble it up. Okay, so now that it's scrambled, it's pretty scrambled up. The first step you're going to want to do is to solve for the white cross. So basically it's just like a 3x3, the white cross. You have to know your color scheme for this because there's only two centers in the cube, 1 and 2. So for this, I know that I'll use this as a correctly placed one. So across from the orange is the red. So what I'm going to do is bring the red down there, turn it there, and bring it up so that it is across from the orange piece. So those two are correct. And now all I need to do is, this is blue, and across from blue is green. So all I need to do is turn that up. And there is a little parity with this. I did not get it this time. I will show you what it is right now. And if you I recommend just watching it anyways. But you can tell this isn't a parity because a corner piece is correctly placed. And if it is a parity, when a corner piece is correctly placed, you will see this, where it's in the right spot where it's supposed to be, but it's not correct, as you can see. Basically, how you solve for the parity is it's a very easy algorithm. All you're doing is switching these two. Okay, and so what you do for the parity is this, right, up to, right, up to, right. And as you can see, the parity is solved, and you can tell that because a piece is in correct position and it's oriented correctly. So now we're going to go ahead and try and place this corner piece right here. So this is a red and green corner piece. So it's got white on it on the bottom. So this piece wants to go right here. We basically just want to flip it up like that. And now there's one quick little move that you can do to put it in. It's a little move. I wouldn't even call it an algorithm. It's right, down,
prime,
right, down, right. So it's just that. It's very simple. It's not even an algorithm. I'll put an algorithm on the screen for it. So this one is red and blue. So we're just going to move it in between the red and blue edge pieces and do right, down prime, right, down, right. And as you can see, it is in the correct spot. And then we have one more right here. And then we do the same thing. We put it underneath in between the orange and blue. And we just do this right, down, prime, right, down, and right. And there it is. So the first layer is solved. So the entire first layer is solved. And then for the second layer, what you're going to want to do first is solve for all the corners. So you're going to solve for all the corner pieces. And the first thing you're going to look for is headlights. So I'll show you what headlights look like right now. Unfortunately, there are none on this. It's basically just if this was blue and you have two of the same color pointing out at each other. And it can also look like a bar. So if this was blue, if all these pieces were blue, those would be headlights. So let me show you what to do if you don't have any headlights. So here's an algorithm, the first algorithm. You basically just want to hold it any direction. I'm just going to hold it like this. It doesn't really matter if you don't have headlights. And then you want to do this. Right, up prime, right, up prime, down, right, up prime, right, up, right. And as you can see, we've made some headlights right here. So what we can do with that is we want to put the headlights so they're pointing that way, to the left. And effectively what this algorithm does is it just switches these two pieces. So that's a good note to have in your head. And so the headlights are facing that way, and you want to do the same algorithm again. Right, up prime, right, up prime, down, right, up prime, right, up, right. And as you can see, if we turn it so that we can turn it at least so that all of the pieces, the corner pieces are placed correctly. Okay, so for the solving the edge pieces, there are two different algorithms that we're going to need to learn. One is very, very simple. I wouldn't even call it an algorithm, but the one is pretty long. I have it memorized, but one switches these two, and one switches these two. So if we know both of those, we can solve for the edge pieces. And right now, what I think I'm going to do is swap these two so that this red piece can go there. So we are going to swap it using this algorithm. Or sorry, right, up to, right, up to, right, up to. And as you can see, these two switch, and now we only have these two pieces left to be switched, which is a pretty long algorithm, but it is somewhat simple. It's easy to memorize. I'll put it like that. So to switch these two edge pieces, all you need to do is this simple algorithm. Right, up, right, up, right, up to, right, up to, right, up prime, right. And as you can see, by doing that, we solved the cube because it was the last set of second layer edges that needed to be solved. I basically went through everything you need to know about solving this cube, I'm pretty sure. And if you had any trouble, just comment in the description. I'll be sure to help you. That's going to be it for this video. If you've learned something, like, subscribe, comment for more. All the algorithms will be in the description. And yeah, that's going to be it. Like, subscribe, comment for more. And as always, have a nice day.